Hi guys, this is Krish Karayil and I am from Hurdles Online Academy. I'm an industrial designer and architect. I would like to thank you for choosing this course, Design Sketching Create Amazing Designs with Procreate and iPad. Art software is just a tool. As the software updates, we will also be updating the contents and new techniques that is useful for designers. We have really worked hard to prepare this course so that you can understand easily. As you go through this course, I hope you guys will find some doubts so that we guys can improve, and we'll be updating a new module including all these questions. So I hope you guys enjoy these course contents. Expert in anything was once a beginner, so here in Hurdles Academy we teach you to be the best in your desired course. As you progress through this course, I hope you will not disappoint. And you will be certainly thanking me once you have seen the sketches that you have drawn before this course and the sketches that you are creating now. Lately, my students were asking me if it is necessary for a designer to be a sketch artist. This is a tough question, but the answer actually lies somewhere in the middle. You don't need to be a good sketch artist to be a good designer. It's all about communication. And it's about communicating what's in your head to your team members and clients. Computer-aided design, prototyping and rapid prototyping are hype in these days. These all are great assets to solve your problem, but also to make your problems complex. In a society where time is actually money, designers who can sketch and ideate more will have an edge over people who are just focusing on computer-aided design. In the end, design sketching is just a tool which can be a crucial part of your design process. I hope and I would like you to develop all the other tools which is available in design world. And I want to advise you one thing: you have to be jack in all trades rather than just focusing on one particular skill. Because in the end, it all comes useful to our design process. This course is actually meant for design enthusiasts and people who are just starting off their industrial design course, and those who are applying for admissions in design school. I wish you all the best and hope you enjoy this course. If you like this video, please subscribe. We got more for you. You can find this course in Udemy. So please check out the link below in the description. See you then, bye.